Tata Group to induct 250 aircraft from Airbus for Air India. The Tata Group has signed a letter of intent with the American company, Airbus, to acquire 250 aircraft, including 40 wide-body planes for Air India in February 2023. The airline has placed an order for 210 narrow-body neo jets. The Tata Group acquired 100% stake in Air India and a 100% stake in its arm Air India Express in January 2022. Air India currently has a fleet of 113 aircraft. Know about Tata Group. It is an Indian multinational conglomerate. It is India's largest conglomerate, with products and services in over 150 countries and operations in 100 countries. There are 29 publicly listed Tata Group companies with market capitalization of $311 billion as of March 2022. Founded, 1868. Founder, Jamsetji Tata. Chairman and MD, Natarajan Chandrasekaran. Headquarters, Mumbai. Equatorial Guinea confirms